Uhoro waku murutwo wakwa. Welcome to another Gikuyu lesson. This is Gikuyu with Wanjiru. My name is Wanjiru, and today I want to teach you a very simple Gikuyu lesson. Do you know that verbs are used in many ways? Verbs are used to give instructions, they are used to make requests, they are used to ask questions and to make sentences. Generally, there are so many ways of using verbs in any language. So now, I want us to learn in this lesson using verbs to give instructions or to give commands. So, stay right there. So, we have two ways of giving instructions or giving commands. We have one command or one instruction, and then we have two instructions. And imagine this is a very, very, very simple lesson, because as long as you know the verb, it is so easy for you to give the instructions or to understand the instructions. When you are giving one instruction, you just use the verb as it is, one word. Like I could tell you, sit down, ikaradhi, stand up, rogama. I could say sleep, comma. I use that a lot when I'm trying to make my baby sleep. I say comma baby, comma mwana. Or I just tell her ria irio, eat food, ria irio, nywa mai, drink water, nywa mai, hora rohe, higa murago, higura murago, horia dhimo, switch off your phone, horia dhimo, go home, dhie mosie, or one word for dhie mosie is inoka. See, those are just so simple. As long as you know the verbs, you just use the verbs as they are. If I am commanding more than one person, I just add e to the instruction. For example, dhie, I'll say dhiei. So you all go. Come, you all come, I'll say okai. You all eat food, reai irio. You all drink water, nywai mai. You all close the door, I'll say higai murago. And to open the door, if I'm instructing you all, higurai murago. See? So simple. The next part is when we are giving two or more instructions. For example, I could say, go home and make lunch. So I'll say, dhie mosie. Now, the second verb is where we just modify our verb. And how do we do that? By using the prefixes. So simple. Because I'm telling you, and you know the prefix for you is o. So I say dhie mosie, the first verb won't change. The first instruction will not change. But the second one, which is now kuruga, right? The second one is ruga. So we add o, we use the prefix o, then the verb as it is, but in the end, we add e instead of a. Dhie mosie oruge irio cia muthenya. Dhie mosie na oruge irio cia muthenya. So another example is come and eat. Can you guess how we do that? Come is oka. Eat is rea. So come and eat. Oka na orie. Or I could just say oka orie. If I was to command you to sit and listen, I'll say ikarathe na odhikererie. Alright, so if I was to tell you, wake up, take a shower and go to work. The first verb will just be as it is, okera. Now take a shower and go to work. I'll say okera wethambe na uthie wira. Okera wethambe na uthie wira. So we are modifying the second and the third verb. So if I was to say boil water, make tea and serve it, maybe to the guests. Boil water, make tea and serve the guests. So to boil is the rukia or samura. Make tea is ruga sai, and to serve is ihora, koihora. Okay, so the first verb will be therukia mae, oruge sai na oihorere ageni. Therukia mae, oruge sai na oihorere ageni. Okay, so if I was to also tell you, pick up your phone, call your friend and set up a meeting. So pick up is oya, call someone is horera, dimo, and set a meeting is like plan a meeting. So we'll say faga musemanio. So I'll say oya dimo yaku, pick your phone, ohorere murata waku dimo, call your friend, na ufage musemanio, and plan a meeting. And by the way, if I have 3 instructions, I could also say in this case, oya dimo yaku, horera murata waku dimo, na ufage musemanio. So the first 2 verbs can always remain as they are. Now, if I was giving more than one person instructions, so I want to say you all, we just use, just like I told you from the first, from giving instructions, like if I want to say go home, you all go home and make lunch, I'll say die mosie, so I added the e at the end of my verb, die mosie, na moruge, you all cook, na moruge, you all cook irio cia muthenya, na moruge irio cia muthenya. You all go home and make lunch. You all come and eat, I'll say okai morie, okai morie, sit and listen, ikarai the na modikererie. So the prefixes for you all is mo, ikarai the na modikererie. So if I was to say boil water, make tea and serve the guest, I'll say therukia imae, moruge sai na moihorere ageni. Therukia imae, moruge sai na moihorere ageni. As always, I'll give you an assignment. These sentences, I need you to give instructions using these 5 sentences, and I want you to send your responses. You can either write in the comment section or you can send to this email address, because I really love to see if you understood what I am teaching. 5 sentences, give instructions to one person and to 2 people, or to more than one person. So you do that, send me your responses, and I hope to see you in my next lesson. Tigwo wega.